Gone are the days when you had to sit down and analyze the market or a particular NFT or crypto project before you could invest in them. The machines are taking over today, and now there are a lot of NFT bots that can help you analyze the market, place a trade, and even take profit at the right time to maximize gains. Welcome to Flores Online Explains, the online education platform. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips. Don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what an NFT bot is and how to set them up for yourself. Do you want to earn passive income from NFTs without having to do all the brain work? Then stick around till the end of the video. What is a crypto or NFT trading bot? A cryptocurrency trading bot is a piece of software that assists you in automating your trading strategies. In other words, crypto trading bots execute orders at your crypto exchange depending on your trading strategy without your intervention or monitoring. This lowers your risks and gives you a competitive advantage over manual traders. In the past, Bitcoin traders used to write programs to buy and sell Bitcoin to make money in the days of Mt.Gox. These crypto bots grew in sophistication over time, and now we've seen more of these trading bots, and they can now trade any NFT or altcoin, including Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and others. These bots now account for more than 90% of all cryptocurrency transactions. If you do not use one of these programs, you may find yourself at a significant disadvantage when competing against trading bots. Scalper bots, also known as scalping bots, employ automated means to obtain items or services that they may purchase in quantity and complete the checkout process far faster than a regular client could. These bots use automated software to get in the front of the line and buy thousands of tickets, commodities, or services as soon as they go on sale. They employ the same method in the crypto and NFT world. Scalping is a strategy that is well known in the ticketing and events industry, the crypto and NFT industry, and also the stock market, in which assets or limited items are purchased and resold later for a profit. These NFT bots will also make sure that you never miss a mint again, and it will also help to make sure that you never get outbid on any NFT sale. Where can you get these NFT bots from? There are various websites and platforms on the internet that will allow you to create and customize your own bot according to your trading strategy. So you just simply have to search on Google and create an account with any of these platforms, and then follow the next steps. Axiotech is one example. Axiotech began operations in 2017. Axiotech provides consultation, product design, software development, QA and smart contracts auditing services to DeFi and fintech firms to assist them increase their value. They also help you construct your own crypto and NFT trading bot. You can also look for bot creation services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You reach out to someone there and tell them the kind of bot you want, and they will build it for you. How do you set up this bot? First thing you have to do is to download the zip file of the bot from GitHub and then run it on your computer using VS Code or any other code compiler. Then you should connect your MetaMask wallet to the bot. Some bots might ask for your seed phrase and wallet address, so make sure that you're using a verified and authentic bot. Make your research and pick a trusted bot. As long as the bot is verified and trusted, it will encrypt any data you put into it, so your information will be safe. After you've connected your wallet, you're good to go. You can begin to mint, create, sell, bid, and perform various other actions with NFTs. There are also some Discord-based bots like Boto. Boto is a no-code platform for building bots, where you can create a bot or just copy a recipe and start using it straight away. All you need to do is to create a Boto account and then add the Boto bot to your Discord server or private chat. All you have to do is to go to their website and use any of their suggested formula to develop a bot that will post every time an NFT is sold for a specific collection or account address. You'll need to fill out the OpenSea address on the NFT you'd like to track. You'll also need to fill out the channel ID area. To obtain this ID, you'll need to authorize the Boto Discord bot, which you added in the prerequisites section. Simply put auth in the channel you wish to use, followed by the email address you used to create your Boto account. The channel ID to use in your bot will then be sent to you in a confirmation message. After that, add the channel ID to your bot and click save. If you're interested in crypto and NFT trading but do not know how to analyze the market, or you simply don't want to miss out on early mints or get outbidded, then an NFT bot is the way to go. What do you think about these bots? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. I really hope to see you again. Continue learning more about crypto, NFT, and the stock market.